want to put them on the numbers?
So did like someone pull the fire alarm or something?
Maybe not. This might be a rock girl.
Oh my god. So much, it looks like a zombie hole. Jesus Christ. All the freaking middle schoolers. It's just like piled up like freaking tiny little like school soldiers. This is crazy. This is like legitimately never happened to me. Like I've seen like us evacuate, but I've never seen the whole freaking school.
I know, it's in my room.
Sit up.
I left it.
Yeah.
I didn't know.
Yeah, I've seen it at my elementary school,
okay.
but I've seen it at my elementary school. There's more people, but there's more people here. It's like so much.
Okay. We gotta line up, okay, Chris?
Okay.
We'll proceed to what I know.
I'm gonna line up here.
Okay, we gotta be here.
Oh, okay. Right here?
Yeah.
This sucks, Maddie.
I know, right?
Right?
She's just like something like, I was
I'm not obligated. But I am.
What the actual stuff?
It's okay.
What happened?
I don't know.
Wait, because he said I know where he told me that he might be wrong, but he said he thinks someone pulled the fire alarm because he thought it was funny, but this doesn't look like that. This like legitimately looks like there's something serious.
Well, any flames, though. There's.
Are we ready to do this again?
Holy crap. This is not funny. If someone did pull the fire alarm, I will, if I find the person, I would slap them. Even if I got in trouble. I would be like, you put the whole school in the freaking panic.
Yep. Hello.
Oh, 611.
Yep.
I didn't know if we needed a bucket. We don't have a bucket or vest, so hey, at least we got one. You can use mine. Go by the tree.
Lunchtime of all times.
This is just perfect for a Friday. This is just like the perfect way to like end the Friday with a giant fire drill and just be like, well, you go home. Oh, and the bell rings, but we're already all out here. So there's really nothing we can do about it.
That means Geezus is going to be short today.
But what about going back to class? I want to
Hey, Maddie, this is a fire drill right now.
There's probably a
We're going
fire.
to be out here, okay?
but please.
Hey, Maddie. Maddie, we're out here because this one's a real...
This is, no. Why would this happen? Okay, to whoever freaking pulled the fire alarm, if someone did actually just pull the fire alarm for a prank, screw you, man. Screw you. Screw you. If you're watching this and you go to Richland and you did it, just screw you. I hope you die.